Alright class, now we are going to chapter 3, numerical descriptive measures. Okay, it is, tengok pada notes ni. Okay, chapter 4 ni notes yang lepas punya lah. Okay, now chapter 3 actually. Okay, measure of central tendency represents the center for a set numerical data value. There are three types of measure of central tendency, which are mean, median and mode. Okay, mean, median and mode. So to calculate mean, median and mode, we have two methods, which is ungrouped data and grouped data. Okay, so for mean is the most important and most widely used measure of central tendency. The mean of a set of observation is the sum of the values of observation, which is total x, divided by the number of observation, which is n. Okay, so the mean is denoted by the symbol x bar. Okay, we call it x bar kat situ. Okay, so for mean ungrouped data, okay, how to calculate mean for ungrouped data? To calculate the mean is the sum of all x values divided by the number of observation. Okay, this is formula dia. Okay, x bar is equal to total x divided by n. Okay, n ni the total number of observation. Okay, so look at example 1 guys tu. 7 salesmen sold the following numbers of cars in 1 week. So this is ungrouped data ni. Okay, 5, 10, 8, 6, 6, 8, 6 ni, this is ungrouped data. So how to calculate? Use this formula, total x divided by n. So kat sini x bar. Okay, x bar ni apa? Dia punya mean dia, symbol for mean. Okay, x bar. So and then you have to sum out of the x value. 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus plus 6 plus 8 and 6. Okay, 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 divided by what? The number of observation. Berapa number of observation kat sini? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ada 7 data kat situ. So divided by 7. Okay, and then total up. Okay, 5 tambah 10 tambah 8 tambah 6 tambah 6 tambah 8 tambah 6 dapat berapa? 49 divided by 7. You get 7. So this is the answer. Okay, for mean. Okay, mean for ungrouped data. And then you have to interpret. Okay, bila dah calculate, you have to interpret. Okay, kalau dalam soalan sometimes dia akan ada tanya calculate mean and interpret. Okay, so macam mana nak interpret? Okay, you know that the mean is 7. So apa maksud mean? Mean to average actually. Okay, mean to average. So nak interpretkan dia on the average. Okay, ni saya short form komen average ni, average, on the average. Okay, dalam statement ni dia bagi tahu 7 salesmen kan, okay, sold the number of cars in 1 week. Okay, so on the average, each salesman sold 7 cars. Kenapa 7 cars? Sebab mean yang kita dapat ni 7. So on the average, each salesman sold 7 cars in 1 week. Okay, 1 week ni sebab apa? Sebab dalam statement tu dia bagi tahu, okay, 7 salesmen sold the number of cars in 1 week. So bila kita calculate mean dia, kita dapat 7. So on the average ni dia punya point dia, kita nak mengatakan for mean. Okay, on the average, each salesman sold 7 cars in 1 week. So this is how to interpret. Okay, ni faham na? So this is mean for ungrouped data. Okay, ni mean for ungrouped data. How about for group data? Okay, look at example 2 for group data. Okay, tengok number 2 kat sini. Mean for group data, the formula to calculate the mean is x bar equals to total fx divided by total f. Okay, f refers to the frequency of each class. Okay, F refer to the frequency of each class. X refers to the midpoint of each class. Fx refers to the value of X multiplied by its corresponding frequency. Okay, so maksudnya kat sini, look at example 2. Okay, kalau tengok pada soalan, consider the data on score obtained by 25 employees. Okay, ini yang table yang saya dah siapkan dah. Okay, so nak calculate for mean, okay, mean for group data, you have to find the midpoint for each class. Okay, kita ada berapa kelas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, kena cari midpoint for each class kat sini. Okay, macam mana nak cari midpoint? 2, okay, 2 plus 9 divide 2. 2 plus 9 divide 2, you get 5.5. Okay, 10 plus 17 divide 2. 10 plus 17 divide 2, you get 13.5. And so on lah. Awak cari. Okay, find the midpoint first. Okay, midpoint ni simbol X midpoint ni simbol X. F ni adalah frequency. And then you have to multiply the midpoint with frequency. You get Fx. Okay, boleh faham dah? Multiply the midpoint X ni, simbol X, darab dengan frequency dia. Okay, so you get Fx. So macam mana? 5.5. Okay, 5.5 times 2. You get 11. 13.5 times 3. You get 40.5. And then and so on, you calculate. Okay, calculate sendiri. Okay, ini saya tunjuk contoh 2 kelas yang pertama ni. Alright, and then apa formula dia? Formula, this is example 2 Formula to calculate mean for group data, X bar equals to total Fx divided by total F. Total Fx. Okay, yang awak calculate ni Fx. Kita nak total dia. So total dia kat bawah dia ni. Berapa total dia? Lepas awak dah cari Fx ni 5.5 darab 2 dapat 11, 13.5 darab 3 40.5, and then so on ni awak cari. So kita nak total dia berapa? So yang ni saya bagi tahulah total dia 649.5. Okay, awak calculate sendiri, dapat tak 649.5? Okay, jangan salin saja jawapan yang saya bagi ni. Try to calculate. Okay, tengok awak dapat tak jawapan yang sama apa yang saya dah bagi ni. Okay, cuba calculate sendiri. Okay, so the answer is 649.5. So total Fx ini, total Fx 649.5. 649.5 divided by total F. F ni apa? Frequency. Tapi dia nak total, which is 25. So divided by 25. Okay, and then what's the answer? Awak calculate, awak akan dapat 25.98. Okay, this is the answer. Mean for group data. Alright, so how to interpret? Pun kena interpret juga. Kalau soalan minta interpret, okay, calculate the mean and interpret the value mean dia. So you have to interpret. Kalau soalan tak minta, tak apa. Tapi kalau soalan minta macam mana? So, disebabkan dia mean, so keyword dia punya point dia adalah on the average. On the average. Okay, yang ni awak tulis full AVG ni. Okay, yang ni saya short formkan saja. On the average. Okay, kalau baca pada statement disebab pasal apa? Dia data on score obtained by 25 employees. Okay, tentang employees and score. So, on the average, each employee okay, get a score, obtain score. Okay, ikut ayat awak apa yang suitable. Obtain score of apa yang awak dapat kat sini, 25.98. So 25.98. Okay, on the average, each employee obtains score of 25.98. Alright, boleh faham dah? So this is mean for ungrouped data and group data. Alright. Okay, for median, okay, next video.